How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for tuning in to our daily dog walk. It's Thursday the 21st of October and it's the morning walk, so I'm out with the small guys. I've got 8 of them today. I'll introduce you to them all in a minute. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe so you don't miss out on tomorrow's walk. But sit back and enjoy the fun, and I'll take you through today's walk. Thank you. Good. Good head. Good. Good. Up. Up. Come on. Good now. Go on. Up. Oh, clever puppy. Good, Elsa. Who else is going up, Ted? Good boy. Oh no. What's over here? Oh, you clever pooch. You are so clever. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, who's copying now? Who's copying now? Alfie, you got up? Good, Tosca. Good, Fern. Good. Good, Fern. In that last clip, you'll have seen Tosca and Otis fighting, and doesn't give me any concern because it's just play. And the reason you know that, really, for a couple of reasons, but the main one is they're kind of doing this snorting noise that you've hopefully heard on the camera. It's kind of and there's no barking really, and it's all sort of play. It's the body language is good, they're both reciprocating, they're both going back for more, that kind of thing. So it's quite a healthy activity for them to kind of pursue. But what we don't allow as part of the pack rules is for that to get too much and for it to escalate into a fight, or for the other dogs to start snarling and joining in thinking it's something else. So as you can hear, everyone else is quite happy, so I'm quite happy. Quite big for you, little man. Yeah, you kill it. You kill it, buddy. You kill it. Yeah, you kill it. Oh. Okay, probably a good time to introduce you to the pack. Right, so I'm going to try and introduce you to these guys one at a time. So we've got Alfie, good boy. Nell, good girl. Barney, jumping. Thank you, buddy. Otis, is it nice? Good boy. Ted, sit nice as well. Come on, buddy. You can do it. No, Tosca. This is Tosca. This is Alfie. Hello, boy. Hello. This is Fern. Hey, sweetie. And we have Elsa. Hey, sweetie. Hi. Hello. That's the pack for today. Oh, that's been amazing. We've just bumped into Emma and her pack. Emma's company is Basie Avenue Dog Walking, and those guys are a great bunch. And it's been a lovely little catch up we had. Elsa occasionally will walk with Emma if I'm on holiday or something, and Elsa's reaction to seeing her was just amazing. So not that I'm jealous at all, but you know, it's good. It's good. Oh, Alfie, you found your voice. Sit. Good. Good, Tosca. Look at your dirty paws. Look at your dirty paws, cutie.